Don't have the time or money for a gym membership or expensive equipment, but still want to get in shape? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 bodyweight exercises that can transform your body in just 2 weeks. No equipment needed, and you can do them anywhere. These exercises are designed to help you burn fat, build strength, improve endurance, and most importantly, stay consistent with your fitness goals. Whether you're a beginner or already active, these exercises will suit all fitness levels. And trust me, the 5th exercise is a game changer, so make sure to watch till the end. Each of these movements targets multiple muscle groups, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts overall functional fitness. Ready to change your body and your energy levels? Let's get started. 1. Jumping jacks. Let's begin with a classic, jumping jacks. They're a simple yet highly effective aerobic exercise that gets your whole body moving. Jumping jacks primarily target your gluteal muscles, hip flexors, and quadriceps, while also engaging the abdominals, back muscles, and the muscles of the back of the thighs. The swinging motion of the arms activates the deltoids, making it a full body warm-up. One major benefit? Jumping jacks are low impact compared to running, so they place less stress on your knees and joints. This exercise increases your heart rate, warms up the muscles and joints, and prepares your body for more intense workouts. It helps develop balance, coordination, and flexibility, all while burning calories, up to 100 kilocalories in just 10 minutes. Jumping jacks are perfect for all fitness levels because you can control the intensity. Simply increase or decrease the pace to suit your level. 2. Bodyweight squats. Next up, the bodyweight squat, a compound movement that works multiple muscle groups and builds lower body strength. Squats target your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, inner thighs, psoas, calves, and even your lower back. They also improve posture, mobility, and balance. Plus, strong legs make everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, and lifting objects easier and safer. According to Harvard Medical School, a 150-pound person can burn about 220 kilocalories in 30 minutes of squatting. This exercise also strengthens tendons, ligaments, and bones, which helps prevent injury. And yes, squats also give your cardiovascular system a good workout. 3. Burpees. Now let's crank up the intensity with burpees, the ultimate full-body cardio and strength move. Burpees are highly effective for building strength, endurance, and burning fat fast. Each rep involves nearly every major muscle group: quads, glutes, chest, shoulders, arms, core, and back. Burpees also elevate your heart rate, improve cardiovascular endurance, and help torch up to 10 kilocalories per minute. They're more than just a fat burner. Burpees help relieve stress, improve posture, and boost coordination. Doing them consistently can enhance your overall fitness level, speed up your metabolism, and make your joints and ligaments more resilient to injury. The key to an effective burpee workout: maintain good form and control your breathing. Since this exercise is fast-paced and demanding, you'll need to pace yourself, especially as a beginner. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are a foundational bodyweight exercise, simple yet powerful. They help tone your arms, chest, shoulders, core, and even legs when done correctly. The main muscles involved include the triceps, deltoids, pectorals, serratus anterior, abdominals, glutes, and quads. Push-ups improve upper body strength, stability, and joint health, especially in the shoulders and elbows. They also stimulate blood flow, promote healthy joints, and reduce the risk of tendon injuries when done regularly. Push-ups can be progressively overloaded through different variations, such as incline, decline, clapping, or knuckle push-ups to match your skill level. Done properly, push-ups are not just for upper body strength. They're a total body test of endurance and control. 5. Mountain climbers. Now for the game changer, the mountain climber. This exercise brings together cardio, core strengthening, and muscle toning all in one dynamic move. Mountain climbers target your abs, arms, shoulders, back, glutes, quads, and calves. since you perform them at a fast pace. They also double as an effective cardio workout, improving your heart health and burning calories fast. This exercise is perfect for building endurance, burning fat, and sculpting your abs, all while keeping your body agile and strong. And there you have it, 5 of the most effective bodyweight exercises that can reshape your body and boost your fitness in just 2 weeks. No gym, no equipment, just you and your commitment. These exercises are versatile, efficient, and perfect for any fitness level. Start with 2 to 3 sets of each, gradually increasing intensity as your strength improves. Remember, consistency is the key to transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos linked on the screen. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next workout.